This is the tips and tricks of OnePlus 5T. Open settings, apps, parallel apps. Click on the toggle button. Only few apps are supported. By using this feature, you can duplicate an app. As you can see, there's two Instagram. You can turn it off by doing the same steps. Settings, buttons, swap button. This feature allows you to switch the multitasking button and back button. Open settings, display, lift up display. This feature works like iPhone. When you pick your phone in your hand, the display turns automatically on. Open settings, gesture, switch on swipe fingerprint for gesture. This feature allows you to bring down the notification center by swiping down the fingerprint sensor. Settings, advanced, accessibility. Turn on magnification gesture. Tap the screen 3 times. You can move, zoom in or zoom out by using 2 fingers. Open settings, display, click on reading mode, tap add and click whatever app you want. Okay, I'm using Amazon Kindle. This feature turns the app you selected into black and white so that it is easy to read without any eye pain or eye stress. Open settings, display, click accent color. Choose whatever color you want. This changes the color of the switch and the slider. Open settings, display, LED notification. It changes the LED color. If you want the color to be blue when it is charging, you can do this. Open settings, gesture, switch on double tap to wake. This feature allows you to wake up your phone by tapping 2 times on the screen. Open settings, advanced, tap on gaming do not disturb, switch on block notification. Tap add apps for gaming not disturb, select the game you want. This feature blocks the notification while you're on game. And that's it guys. If you like this video, please leave like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.